To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Hello! In this video, we will learn about consonant blends. The consonants S and M make the sm sound. Sm. Smoke. Smoke. Smile. Smile. The boy smells the flower. The boy smells the flower. The consonants S and N make the sn sound. Sn. Snow. Snow. Snake. Snake. Snail. Snail. The snail is on the grass. The snail is on the grass. The consonants S and P make the sp sound. Sp. Spot. Spot. Spoon. Spoon. Spade. Spade. I eat food with a spoon. I eat food with a spoon. The consonants S and W make the sw sound. Sw. Swing. Swing. Swim. Swim. Sweets. Sweets. I have a bowl of sweets. I have a bowl of sweets. The consonants S and T make the st sound. St. Star. Star. Stop. Stop. Stamp. Stamp. We stomp our feet in the rain. We stomp our feet in the rain.